Okay, going to do a tutorial for the beach palm tree design. I have my 1-inch flat brush. I'm loading up. It's the wide, I mean, it's the only wide brush you should have. But it says number 14 on it. So this is the one we have them close their eyes, and I usually try to go in the eyebrow in case it's when you're just starting off, you're not sure how much water you're using, and sometimes there's too much water. So if you go in the eyebrow, kind of tap in the eyebrow, it'll make sure any excess water that's on the brush, it'll get absorbed by the eyebrow. So we kind of have them close their eye, and I kind of start here, and then I go over, and I move down, and I go, once I know there's not too much water, I take it, and I'm going to push all the way down, pushing hard so we get that whole width of that brush. And then if you need to, you can go back over that way. And then we're going to take this and we're going to fill that in. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Filbert brush that's labeled Big Drop. This is our Filbert brush. And I'm going to take our blue 1-stroke, and I'm going to pick up the blue and the white, or light blue and dark blue, whichever one you want to go with at the time. And then I'm going to start right kind of on the corner of their eye, and that dark blue on the outside, right? We're just going to go like that. And I'm going to kind of come back that way, and we're just going to do nice little swishes. And we're just going to slowly get smaller, smaller and smaller. Like that. Then I am going to use a round number 3. Round number 3. Yep. There we go. That light is like, okay. Round number 3. Got my water. Gonna load up my black. You got nice. Well, I just went ahead and stuck my brush in the water and stuck it right in here. This is my first time using the black, so it was completely dry. So I'm just in here, and I'm just gonna roll it so we taper it off, and I'm basically just gonna do like a little hill kind of thing, and then straight across the bottom there, and then going to push all the way flat, and then slowly kind of lift up. Right, like we're doing our teardrop, right? There you go. Now that's a little too thick, but it's okay. So you usually want to land kind of somewhere right around here, so we have a little bit of room at the top and a little room at the bottom. So I'm going to push and taper off, right? We're pushing for thick and lifting for thin, and right, so we're kind of rotating that brush that way. We're not going down that way. I'm taking my brush and I'm rotating. You can see that this in there. All right, so I'm pushing here, and I'm moving my brush that way. Pushing here and rotating it that way. Same thing here. I'm just gonna push and lift up. Right, and then just 2 little birds in there. You can do, if there's extra room over here, you can do another one here. And that literally should be all there is to the palm tree there. So let me know if you have any questions on that one.